Hello, Mrs. Houston's stats class. Today I will be teaching you about frequency polygons and ogives. Frequency polygons use line segments connected to points located directly above class midpoint values. On the graph you want to label the frequency on the y-axis and midpoints on the x-axis. An ogive is very similar to the frequency polygon. It is a line graph that depicts cumulative frequencies. The only difference is that on the y-axis it uses cumulative frequency and on the x-axis it uses class boundaries. So the graph looks more of an upward curve like this. And here's the comparison. You have the frequency polygon on the left here, with the frequency on the y-axis and the class midpoints on the x-axis. So the graph is going to look something like this. On the right is the ogive, and on the y-axis they have the cumulative frequencies, and on the x-axis they have the class boundaries. So it's going to look a little something like this. And now let's do an example. Here is an example of a frequency polygon. I've given you the class intervals here, so 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, and 80 to 89. And you have to graph these 6 units. So what you do is you want to graph on the bottom here on the graph. And what you want to do on the bottom here is you want to say the number of times something appears in the intervals, and you want to put the class midpoints on the bottom. And then you just count out how many times the numbers appear in the intervals. So for the first one it's, let's see, twice. And the second one is no times. And then from 70 to 79, 70 shows up once. And from 80 to 89, there's 3 units that work. And then you just connect the dots. And there you go. That's it.